Assalamu alaikum guys, today we'll be making شعيبيات. The ingredients for the dough are 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, an egg, 1/4 cup of oil, a half a cup of water, cornstarch and butter. The ingredients for the khashta are 1.5 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 4 ounces of cheese, and the ingredients for the syrup are 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice, and vanilla. Add the flour and a sprinkle of salt into a large bowl and mix. Then add the oil and the egg and knead while gradually adding water. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 1 hour. While the dough is resting, make the qashta and the syrup. To make the qashta, you will need to pour 1.5 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into a pot and leave it on medium heat while quickly stirring it. Once the qashta has thickened, add 4 ounces of cream cheese and stir until the cheese melts. Pour the qashta into a bowl and cover it up with a plastic wrap and let it cool down a bit before placing it in the fridge. Now we'll make the syrup. Pour 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, and 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice into a pot and let them boil on high heat for 6 minutes. Once the 6 minutes are up, add a tablespoon of vanilla and take the syrup off the heat and let it cool down a bit before placing it in the fridge. After the dough has rested, cut it into small round pieces and cover them up with cornstarch. Cover the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are up, flatten the dough as shown while adding butter or ghee between each layer. Cover the dough and let it rest for 5 minutes. Once it has rested, flatten the dough again and then roll it and cut it as shown. Flatten the cut pieces and add a bit of khashta into the center before adding a bit of water to the edges of the dough and closing it. Put the sha'ibiyat on a greased pan and spread melted butter on the surface of the sha'ibiyat. After you're done, place them in a preheated oven at 360 degrees until they're golden. Right after you take the sha'ibiyat out of the oven, dip them into the syrup and decorate them with any nuts of your choice. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.